So here I am with a rescue in a bag. I'm going away to York for the weekend because I had no rescues in, but then a rescue came in and I couldn't leave it, so I decided to take it with me. Now, I'm going to smuggle this little chap into the hotel that says no pets. Oh dear. There he goes, enjoying the car ride in the sunshine, keeping him hydrated and fed on the way. I have to feed him every 4 hours, so I'll have to come back to the hotel. 29 degrees in York, so it'll be nice and cool with the aircon on in the hotel room. There we are. I've had to put this on the door so the cleaners don't come in and see him. So we can't have any bed linen changed or anything while we're there. Visiting York, off we go. Toodaloodle, crystals galore. I love the Shambles Market. Back for a feed. There we go, giving him a big cuddle. There he is, all well and toasty. Waking up in the morning, going to visit the Castle Museum. This is our hotel. Beautiful hotel, no animals of course, but who's to know. Out by the river, enjoying the sunshine, looking at there's loads of ducks on the river today and geese. They were absolutely beautiful. Everyone out enjoying the sun. There we go. And there's York Minster. We had a look round everywhere. There's lots of new things to see every time we came. Went a bit cooler, so I decided to take him out for a little bit of fresh air. So we climbed to the top of the castle and had a lie down in the sunshine. And I gave him some fresh air, which he seems to be enjoying. I then took him to the Shambles Market to look round with me. He seemed to like that. I bought him a little crystal to keep in his cage, an amethyst. 29 degrees. And then it is time to leave York. So I'm going to have him on my knee on the car journey home with the aircon on. So we're all nice and cool and off home. So toodaloo, York. It was nice coming to see you. Goodbye for now.